Okay, so we're gonna play a picking game today, Joseph. Let me set everything up for you. And then I'm gonna ask you to pick one, okay? Okay, you ready?
I can see everyone.
Go ahead, pick one.
I have to pick the minion because he's my favorite.
Minion, alright. What does he do? Does he do anything cool?
He just speaks.
Does he? Let me see.
You just gotta turn him on.
Alright, that's pretty cool. You can like shake him, play with him, walk him across the table.
You gotta like flash. You gotta like punch him in
Yeah.
your hands. Like put him in your hand.
Alright, awesome.
And then he like speaks.
Okay, my turn. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Woody's still there. And
Okay, are you ready?
yes.
Alright,
Yes.
pick one. Oh, the hammer. Nice. Makes a bunch of squeaky sounds.
I know because
Shake it. Does it make more sounds when you shake it? Alright.
it doesn't have that much air. That's why.
It doesn't. Alright, my turn. Thank you. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Pick one.
I'm gonna do any of my own this one. Just three. The football.
Alright.
I like
fun, huh? You can like toss it around.
I know.
Let me see how good you can catch. Alright, ready? Almost.
I'll do that again.
Okay, one more time. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Alright, good job. Okay, my turn. Thank you.
Yes. I need it.
Okay, you ready?
Why is Woody there?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, pick one.
This.
Oh, the truck.
I'm gonna.
Nice. I think it has like this little thing too, like.
You can like.
Does it shoot? Let's see.
Because I don't think this works.
Oh, okay. Well, we can still just kind of like move it back and forth. There you go. Alright, my turn. Thank you.
The last one is Woody.
Not yet. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay, pick one.
Oh, the last
Good
one.
job. Woody's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Does he squeak?
No, I don't think so.
No,
I've had this one before.
Have you?
Yeah.
He's pretty cool. You can like walk him.
Oh,
he does. Shake him.
No, you have to just punch him.
Okay, my turn. Thank you so much. Awesome job, Joseph. High five.